Hey, I thought I would come on and show you some things that you can look at in your grades, because I'm pretty sure your teachers are leaving you comments and you haven't even seen them yet. So we're going to click on the grades off to the side here. And we've kind of talked about this in class, that you can click on a number or click on something and you can test a different score and kind of see down here at the bottom what you need in order to get a whatever you're looking for. What will happen to my score if I get enter score here, right? And so you have that opportunity to just click and type, and that's only on your side. Those don't show up on my side. Now, what I do want to talk about is, especially for my class, if you get a 0.1 on an assignment, it means I've left you a comment. And if you notice over here, there's comment bubbles, right? Speech bubbles. So if I click, or the fact that there's a blue dot over here. So if I click on the comment, it will let me see the comment. So a lot of times, especially if it's Math Excel and you're getting a 0.1, it's because you didn't actually do the Math Excel. Oh, or you turned in the wrong assignment on Canvas. You with me? So, in this case, it says you didn't actually complete it in Math Excel. And, or if I don't click on the comment, I could also click on the assignment itself. And then you can respond with your own comment, or, although I highly suggest going through Inbox and mentioning what the assignment was. But yes, you can even add your own comments to assignments. So basically that's what I had to show you. When it comes to Google assignments, you'll have to go to the assignment itself to see those comments. And so if we were to go back to grades, when it comes to, for me so far, that's only been the Me by the Numbers. And so you're not going to see something here. So you would actually have to go back to the modules and click on the Me by the Numbers. And then you would go back to your assignment that shows up at the bottom. And it will have any comments that I left you there. So I hope this helps. I'm just trying to make things a little bit easier for you guys. Until next time.